Hey everyone, it's Josh here. In today's software tutorial, we're going to be going through Invideo AI. Now this has absolutely been everywhere on social media. They have been putting out a ton of advertising and marketing to make sure that people know about this. And like I've reviewed in the past, it's a text to video generator that allows you to create interesting B-roll content for your videos and much more. So we're going to be diving into this and seeing exactly how does it work, how can you use the software, hopefully get you a little bit more comfortable with using it and understanding how the user interface works, and see if this thing could be really useful for content creators, businesses, and pretty much anybody who gets use of AI and video in 2024. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Now, before we get into the video, I'll do a quick shout out here to our AI newsletter, Neural Frontier. We publish this weekly and it has tons of cool tech and AI related content in it. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, staying up to date on all the tips and tricks and all of the latest, newest features that are released for some of the coolest AI platforms out there, I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. So this is Invideo AI. Create videos with text prompts. Publish ready-made videos with zero video creation skills. Type in any topic and Invideo AI creates a video with script, visuals, subtitles, voiceover, and music. Trusted by 25 million users worldwide. A lot of people have been saying that this has been a game-changing tool, and I'm really curious to see if that holds up. As you can see here, it has all the things that you would typically expect to see in that, and they have 25 million customers. That's a lot. It has text to video, edit with text prompts so you can make adjustments, create in all languages, clone voice with AI, and it claims to be the complete video solution in one AI tool. So let's try it out. All right, so I'm using the free plan right now, and we are currently sitting on the dashboard. So I'm just gonna simply hit Create AI Video, start from scratch. Give me a topic, language, and detailed instructions. Well, let's use a workflow maybe. There's YouTube explainers, scripted video, YouTube shorts, and we can actually explore more of those. TikTok video, Instagram reel. We can say, create an Instagram reel about, let's say, software. So we'll say, software, make the background music. We'll use their thing there, say fast and energetic. The language should be English, professional tone, I'll say that. Use any voice for the narrator. We can say clear American voice, California accent. We'll say California accent. We'll say we'll add some subtitles with a popping effect. We can use the watermark text and some iStock if needed, and using the YouTube audio library. So you can see how this is really customizable depending on what you're trying to do. Because if you're a YouTube creator that is looking to do this for your YouTube channel, obviously the music that you want to have is going to be not copyrighted. So having it pull from the YouTube audio library only, or maybe Storyblocks, depending on if you're a business, is going to be really good at allowing you to actually customize the video that you're actually getting created for you. So I'll make the prompt a little bit more specific here, and I'll say create an Instagram reel about software solutions in 2024. We'll hit continue here and we'll say generate a video. And it's going to load our creation. What it's going to do is it's actually going to go through and it's going to analyze everything and take our prompt. And I'm curious to see here how it's actually going to perform. All right, now pretty quickly here, it's actually going to ask us for some customization options. Again, depending on who this video is for. Is the audience going to be tech enthusiasts, business owners, IT professionals? How do we want it to feel? Bright, clean, or inspirational? And what platform? Again, we indicated earlier Instagram Reels, so I'm going to save that. And yeah, I'm pretty good with this. We'll say audience tech enthusiasts, look and feel bright, and platform Instagram Reels, and we'll hit continue here. And it's going to take a few minutes, but Invideo is actually going to go and create this video for us. So we'll see in just a few moments here what exactly it produces. Another cool thing to note here is that you actually get a license for the stock music used at export. So if, for example, you're going to be publishing it to YouTube, you get a license for that so that you're not going to have any copyright claims. Or if you're a business, if you're going to be posting this on social media or on your website, you can post it legally without having to worry about somebody coming after you for the music. All the music used by Invideo actually allows you to post it on your multitude of platforms without having to worry about any copyright issues. All right, now I'm gonna guess that probably took about 45 seconds here, but we have a completed video. So let's take a watch.
I'm sure you've heard the news. 2024 is the year of groundbreaking software. Let's see what's hot right now. First up, we've got Taskmaster Pro. This app takes productivity to a whole new level. With its AI-powered task management, it predicts what you need to do before you even know it. Next, say hello to CloudGuard Elite. Cybersecurity just got smarter. It uses machine learning to detect threats in real time and keeps your data safer than Fort Knox. Don't forget about EcoTrack Green. This one is for the eco warriors out there. It helps you monitor and reduce your carbon footprint using intuitive analytics and tips. Saving the planet? There's an app for that. For the creatives, ArtFlow Studio is a game changer. It combines powerful design tools with seamless collaboration features. Create, share, and innovate like never before. Now let's talk about FitSync Pro. Health and wellness apps are all the rage, and this one is leading the pack. It syncs with all your devices to provide a holistic view of your fitness journey. Finally, meet FinTrack Global. Managing your finances has never been easier. This app offers advanced budgeting tools, investment insights, and even tax assistance. So there you have it, 6 must-have software solutions for 2024. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, enhance security, go green, unleash creativity, stay fit, or manage your finances, there's something here for everyone.
Okay, and I'm gonna stop it right there. So, as we can see, that was certainly something. Now, we pretty much put everything into that. The script writing, the AI voice, the B-roll, but you could take any one of those individual features and use it for your own type of content. Say, for example, that you're somebody on YouTube who just needed, let's say, for example, none of the narration and none of the music. You could just get this background with all this alternating, transitions and videos and B-roll so that it works for your YouTube channel, if that's what you're doing. Or if you're a business needing that for your online marketing, that's also an option too. Now, if you look in the top right here, you can see that it actually puts a watermark on the video, which, if you can remember, I actually clicked that I wanted the watermark on the video. So as we can see, that's automatically put in. And then we've got, of course, our subtitles, as you would typically find in shorts or reels, all that sort of thing. And we have the actual ability to go and edit it afterwards. So we have obviously the entire chapter with all the individual story blocks and stock footage that was used, but we also have the full list or script of everything that's actually put on here. If I want to make adjustments to this, all I would have to do is go in here and literally go and type it in. I could make adjustments to it and the AI voice would adjust accordingly. Now, this is very good if you don't want to actually use their scripts that are AI generated, you want to use your own, but have somebody else read them. This is a very cool tool for you to actually allow this customization to occur in whatever type of content you might be making. And so let's say, for example, this video right here with the 2024 iStock, I'm like, this really isn't what I want. I can adjust the duration of it. I can adjust the center point just if it's off-centered, and I can actually go and replace it with my own media if I so choose. So currently I don't have anything uploaded. So if I actually want to go ahead and edit the script here, I can hit this edit script button and you can see that I have the ability to go through this entire script and edit it in real time, as well as play the media that is currently going to be at that part of the script, adjust the narrator speed, and I can actually go and add text elements, media groups, or speaker changes if I so choose. I also have the ability to edit the music. The music they chose was a little bit over the top. It kind of drowned out what he was saying there. So in this case, I could just go through and choose a different type of music that would fit the video a lot more. Now from there, I've got my finished AI video. I can choose to download it, 480, 720, 1080p. I can also give me a command to edit the video. So say, for example, I just wanted to type in, at this particular part, I want you to change this section in this video. I have the ability to just, by typing into it like ChatGPT, just go ahead and edit the video to my heart's content. Another handy thing I can do here is actually go and rate the video. So say, for example, I'm going to be generating 10 of these in a day. I want to make sure which ones I actually really like are there, and which ones I kind of like and which ones I don't like are known. And so that brings us over to the side menu. So the side menu over here, we can actually see our home page, which is pretty much where we are right now, our media library, which allows us to put all of our types of content and media on there. Obviously for that video, it was using a lot of stock footage, very heavy on the stock footage, but if you wanted to put your own type of media in there, that's completely possible. So we can do that just by hitting upload here or dragging and dropping. I can create albums to store my media and adjust things as needed. Now under the plugins tab here, I actually have voices. Now if I pay for the premium version of Invideo, I can actually create a digital clone of my voice by uploading my voice recording here. Now, for many of the voice recordings that are typically out today, they aren't 100% accurate to the actual person. They lack a little bit of the emotion, but I'm sure that technologies like this are going to continue to advance. So this tool is going to be pretty cool once the rest of that technology is figured out. And then in a very similar interface to ChatGPT, we can see here, I literally have my history, but instead of text chat, it's video chat. All of the creations that were made using Invideo. Now before we finish things off, let me actually show you what it looks like to go ahead and edit the video. So say for example, if I click on the give me a command to edit the video, we actually have a few prompts automatically put in here for us. Make this chapter half as long, it's too wordy, change the subtitle color to a different one, or change the current stock video to a drone shot of a forest. It's really endless, so let's do that. We'll say change current stock to a video drone shot of a forest, and we'll hit generate here, and it will go ahead and make the adjustment based on our request. So you can actually request specific types of stock footage in here if, for example, the one that you've put in doesn't match up to the style or topic of your video. So as we can see here, that video of the woman is gone, and now it's been replaced with the drone shot of a forest.
I'm sure you've heard the news. 2024 is the...
And then boom, it keeps going back to the other ones. So you have complete customization throughout this whole process, but in a prompt-based format, which for a platform that's relatively new, it's pretty cool. And that's it. Hopefully, by the end of this video, I've given you everything you need to know to get started using Invideo comfortably. And as always, I'll leave a link in the description below to our AI newsletter where you can check out all the coolest AI tools. That's it for me. As always, thank you so much for watching. My name is Josh Mountain, and I'll see you in the next one.